How do you become an SEO freelancer? Sorry. Number one, become an SEO expert. It is good idea to learn everything you can about best SEO practices. Number two, create a portfolio of your work. Number three, earn references and reviews. Create a website. Use social media. Obtain right SEO tools for your toolkit. 7. Use job boards. How to become an SEO freelancer? Learn from 10 years. Make it different 2022. After looking for a new job and attending 6 round interviews, it finally dawned on me full-time SEO. Freelancing was a real option for me. The reason I say full-time is because I have been freelancing part-time since 2010. Why consider freelancing? I started freelancing back. I have personally experienced all those benefits, but the improved work-life balance is perhaps the most significant positive for me. You will notice below that my total hours since moving full-time freelance have actually decreased. That's because all of my freelance hours are billable and not wasted in back-to-back meetings like in my old 9 to 5. No more 9 to 5. When I went freelance full time, I struggled with the idea of not working 9 to 5 despite getting my work done. It felt like I was doing something wrong by not sitting my desk. This is a habit that working 10 plus years of someone else has instilled in me. Infinite career growth, complete control. How do you become an SEO freelancer? Freelancing is simple on the face of it. You learn SEO, find clients and charge them money for your services, but as with all things in life, it's the execution that matters, and this is not always straightforward. I will share 8 lessons learned from 10 years. Build up your network. Get your books in order. Be confident in your pricing. Effective communication is key. Know your role. Keep learning.